Good Sunday morning. I'm going to keep this very short, very sweet, because it's a high degree of volatility in the forecast I'm about to put out, and we'll just have to see what happens. Storm is going to impact the region Tuesday night into Wednesday. Looks like the epicenter of the storm will be eastern Massachusetts, Cape Cod, Long Island, maybe New York City, and then directly I think there's going to be a pretty sharp cutoff between, say, a foot or more of snow and up to 6 inches of snow from this storm. I think it's going to be more tight wound than people are thinking, and I think the models are going to adjust a little bit more west than where they are now. So last night the trend was more west from yesterday. I think it's going to go a little bit more west and then settle there. So let's take a look at last night's European, which is almost where I think this is going to be, not quite yet. So last night's European, again, here comes our storm system due to energy diving down of the northern branch, tapping into some southern stream moisture, as you can see down here. If you look at the modeling over the last couple of days, this continues to get a little bit more further south on every run in terms of how much this energy digs. This then spawns a surface storm to develop somewhere between 70 the 70-40 benchmark, which is basically, say, 100 miles offshore of New Jersey. So taking a look at that on the surface map, you can see the European develops a storm. It's developing a double-barreled low-pressure system, so this could be feedback with this low-pressure center out there. We might end up seeing one compact low-pressure center sitting right here again, 70 west, 40 north. I don't know if that's 100 miles, but about 100 miles offshore. That's a good spot for New York City and eastern, southeastern New England to get a very decent snowfall from this. And again, this storm is going to get very strong, go down to 972. See this 972, 968? That's not going to happen. Yes, double barrel low pressure systems occur, but I think this is going to end up being one low pressure center that's sitting somewhere right in here, and then it's going to go up like this. That's what I think is going to happen. So that's going to be a little bit, just slightly further west than what this is showing. So that means this moderate precipitation will move back into New Jersey and probably cut off in Pennsylvania. And the storm will pull out and the weather's going to get really warm after that, which is nice. So this is my preliminary snowfall map. It's probably going to change, but I like to put something out because it's only a few days away. This is what we're looking at, okay? So taking a look here, I have up to 6 inches in this blue area, especially north of South Jersey. I just a couple inches down here, up to 6 inches for all of this blue region, and then heavy snow down here in New York City, 6 to 12. Up here in New England, absolutely 12 plus I expect with this system. And this is, again, assuming that we see a little bit more of a shift to the west than what the models are currently showing. So a lot of this map I'm drawing it blind. I'm drawing it more on where I think the storm is going to go, not what the current model is saying. So if you look at the current model, this snow map would be a little bit more to the east. But let's see what happens. More updates tonight, and then more updates tomorrow. A lot to come. Thanks for checking in.